what's going to happen.
Turn this boat around so you guys get one.
No, it's not over.
That was good. Almost.
Yeah, I told you it's a short one. So they got a big drop. Maybe we'll go again later when it warms up. Oh! Some other stuff, okay? And we'll come back.
There we go. I'm done.
Oh my God! Just in case you didn't get one.
Yeah.
I didn't even get one. It's over. It is.